Alright, in today's live trading video, we're looking at the disc pad, and just barely got the camera going just a minute too late. This was the first trade of the day. Bam, right out of the gate. We jump into a long at 875. We get our fill at 881, and then we have a market order to come out at 883.25. The market right now is at 883.50. We hit our target of 883.25, and as you can see, we get filled at 883. So 880.75 was our buy setup. Got in at 81 for our quick 2 points and right into our $1,000 to $2,000 profit range for the disc pad. As you can see, continues to get into that profit range. That would have been nice to hold the second half of the position for a runner, but didn't want to get too greedy here this early in the day with the market only open for about 10 minutes. Now, that's the trading today. Unfortunately, we weren't able to catch that live. If we see another setup worth taking, then we'll try and catch that live for you for the video. We'll definitely try and do that. But where's the disc pad been over the last few days? So as you can see, 2 Fridays ago, it was at 1437.50, 1562.50 for Monday, 1312.50 for Tuesday, up 1500 for Wednesday, up 1,000 last Thursday, up 750 Friday, and of course up, 1,000 for this Monday morning. So where does that leave us? Up on a minimum account of 25K, recommended 50K, preferably 100K. On a minimum account of 25K, however, 30% in essentially a week. And now we're looking at another, we'll call it 4%. For the 25K account, so almost 35%, or an annualized probably 2,000% return for the minimum 25K account. Now, of course, the disc pad attempts to make profits in the order of $1,000 to $2,000 every day and avoid significant drawdowns. Now, having said that, it is a very aggressive portfolio. There you see, this should actually read Thursday for 30, but there you see the profit target of $1,000. And here was Friday's performance. Friday, the 1st of May, up $750. But so that's where we are, and we'll try and catch another trade for you. But honestly, the profit generation target, I should say, is essentially 1 to 2% per day for a $100,000 account. Now, of course, that's more. That's actually 4 to 8% for a 25K account per day. But 1 to 2% for per $100,000 is what we try and target per day as a return. So there's where you have it, and there's our first trade of the day. Gets us right into the $1,000 to $2,000 profit range. So we'll wait and see if anything sets up. But if not, we've hit our target once again. Alright, we're going to look and see how that trade developed for the disc pad. Actually, you have some definitively higher lows here. Boom, nice little trend up until we get the buy signal right here on this blue right here, as you can see. Close of 880.75, that's where we got our signal. We hit the market order, got filled at 881. As you can see, we got a little pop and it came back down just a little bit. Nothing to worry about, to be sure, except there appears to be very strong resistance, as you can see, around 81.82. But we always trust our indicators, and there you have, as we follow along the trade, it quickly comes in our favor after the retest of the very round 80 level. Quickly comes in our favor. Actually, we get some acceleration in our indicator right here, as you can see. Nicely blue is our master Indy indicator. And as you can see, comfortably remains blue and just reaches our profit target just before it starts to decline, which is very good. And there's our $1,000 for the disc pad, as you can see. So a very nice trade going long 10 contracts. We reach our target of 833.25, so we can get out at 883 and get our nice $1,000. Okay, here's our trade from Friday for the disc pad. Had a nice breakdown, H&S formation right here, descending, again the errant move, trying to shake out the weak hands, and we had a breakdown around 870, and wanted to cover around this fib band right here, if we can scroll back over to the upside, scroll back over a little bit, wanted to definitely cover around this fib band, went ahead and got out this support, which was on resistance, then support, so got out at 68 for Friday's trade of a quick 750, so there you have it. Anything else we wanted to look at? We'll go ahead and pause this for a second. Of course, did want to touch on the fact that where this signal was derived, not only for the pattern formations and the breakdowns, but essentially the early signal came from the master lead indicator, suggesting a sell signal right there that the market was definitely going to owe us some downside potential. So we get the sell signal right around here, wait for it to chop around, wait for the pattern to develop, the breakdown, boom, jump in for the quick scalp, get out before the fib band, and there you have the trade. Okay, I want to take a look at a couple of other things. MiniAnalyst.com, matte black portfolio, up $11,000 today, so definitely participating nicely is the MiniAnalyst.com systems. Fully automated, 100% mechanical systems. Been around for anywhere from 2 to 6 years, if not longer. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years in development. And of course, as you can see, beautiful trades for the SD Trader 1.0, the grind, very similar trades. Both went long around the same areas. So when those both go long, that suggests, yeah, the market's definitely going to go higher. Not definitely, nothing's definite, but definitely the indication is that the market will go higher when you have multiple systems going to the long side that are totally non-correlated. So there you have the Day Trader 5.0, also going long, Day Trader 1.0, the 8.0. All these guys are going long for a gain of almost $12,000, another gain of $12,000 for the black portfolio. So if you guys are interested in any of these portfolios, learning how you can get involved with a disc pad, which, hold on one second. Okay, so there you go. Monday, 4th of May, 4th day of May. Diskpad reaches its $1,000 profit target, this time on one trade. We showed you both Monday's trade and Friday's trade, actually, within the first 10 or 15 minutes of the day. And what that leads us to is a gain over the last 7 days of 8,562.84, or 34% return in 7 days, or an annualized and astonishing 1,781%. And nonetheless, more astonishing on a $100,000 account, which is very conservative, return of 445%. So if you're interested in finding out how you can get involved in the Diskpad, just shoot us an email or chat with the support team. And if there's anything else we can help you with, just let us know. We'll see you next time.